What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. So let's get right into it. To delete your message on Messenger, if you go to your Messenger and go to the three dots line on the upper left corner and go to the settings option, you won't be able to find a way to do that. So you just need to head over to your Facebook. So head over to your Facebook application, and once you're there, just head over to the three lines icon and then go to settings and privacy. Go to settings and then scroll down until you see download your information under your information section. Now go to download your information, and from here tap on continue, and then Meta will allow you to download your information of your Facebook application, including your Messenger. So after downloading, you'll find a exe file. Just unzip it, and then you'll find your deleted messages history. And yeah, this is how you can recover your deleted messages on Messenger. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one. Stay tuned with us.